Okay, I just got this WorkForce ES-50 from Epson, so I'm going to use this to scan receipts for tax filing. So what I'm doing is I'm going to scan all the receipts I have for creating YouTube content so that we can use that against the cost of the business, so we can have a tax write-off for the cost of making the content of the videos for the YouTube channel. So I'm going to open this guy up, doing this with one hand. So let's see what's inside. Okay. So let's see, we got that, we got the cable. So that's USB-C to USB-A. And we have, ooh, the scanner. Nice, right? So scanner there. So I'm going to open this up and see how it works. So we have the ready starter. This is the same thing, but in a different language. Yeah, just the same thing. So that's a micro and then calibration sheet. That's calibration sheet. Yeah. And then there. That's the micro USB. It goes to the side here. To this side, micro USB. Let me just plug it in. So that goes, yeah, micro USB, and on the other side is USB A. So I don't have any USB A port on there to charge it up. All right. So now we're gonna download the software for this scanner. I'm gonna, as the instruction says, go to epson.com/support/ES50. So it lands on this page here. So I'm gonna choose my OS, which is Mac OS, the latest one, 14X. I'm just gonna choose that, and I hit go. And then download drivers and utilities combo package installer. I'm gonna download that guy and run this. I'm using a Mac. If you're on a Windows, choose your Windows version and install it yourself. So let's run this guy. I'm gonna run this guy. Alright, now we're gonna scan again, and scan. Sweet. That's how it works. So then you can hit next, and I'm gonna choose save. You're gonna attach to email, send to Google Drive. Oh, this is interesting. I'm gonna send it to Google Drive actually. So let's send to Google Drive, and I'm going to log in. Okay. There. I'm going to make a folder. So actually, I'm going to go to my drive here and make a folder. Visual Studio. I'm gonna make receipts. So I'm gonna make a new folder here. New folder, receipts, create, right? And then I'm gonna make another new folder, August or 2024, August, create. Okay, now if I go back here to my scanner stuff, we should have receipts there. How do you so let's try that. I'm gonna send, see if it populates here. So let's refresh this guy. Woo, we got it! Look at that. So now I can take a look or even download it, right? And there we have it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan all these receipts for tax purposes. So we have a backup for all our business expenses, and we can be organized. So we have a bunch of receipts here, which I'm going to scan. So it's a bit tricky with just one hand. Let me get a tripod. Okay, so we're gonna start scanning here. Even if it's like this, it's a bit crumbled, I think it's still gonna work. Yep, I'm just gonna put it on the left here and scan. Sweet. Right, I want to do more, plus, so next one, okay, can you see the screen? Yep, so I'm just gonna hit plus again here. Keep hitting plus and then scan again. Maybe I should load it then hit plus. Okay, now let's do that. Let's load it first and then hit plus. And then hit plus. Yep, that's how you do it. So you load the paper first and then hit plus, and then you can scan it. So I'm gonna do this one now. Load it first. I'm gonna suck it a bit and then hit plus, scan. Okay, so far so good. So small ones, and then hit plus. And then I'm gonna put it again. Maybe I can just do this. Oh yeah! So no need to keep hitting plus there, right? Just use the hardware buttons. Here, scan. So it keeps adding the pages. Again. Sweet. Again. This has 2 pieces, I believe. Yep. This goes again. Last one. Oopsie. Nice. All right, so take off the tripod. So now I'm gonna send this guy. We have 12 pages there, right? 12 pages. I'm going to save this to my Google Drive. So next, and then send to Google Drive, my 2024 August folder, and then I'm gonna hit send. Boom. Saving. Boom. And now if I go back to my Chrome and refresh, boom, look at that. Oops. And then you can download it or even view it from there. See all my receipts. Awesome. That's how it works. Okay, bada bing, bada boom.